JEE Main's second attempt is just around the corner, and if you still don't have a strategy right now, then you might be making the biggest mistake of your preparation. So sit till the end of this video because I am going to tell you five very big problems that you are going to face right now just after your board exam, during your board exam, and you have no idea how to cope up with it. Number five problem number is going to be your biggest problem whatsoever you are dealing with, everybody. So please stay till the end of this वीडियो. ठीक है, मैं आपको ऐसे ऐसे बातें बताने वाली हूँ जो शायद आपने सब सोचा भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Now by the end of this video you will have a practical plan. आपको एक practical plan मिल जाएगा that will help you to manage your board examination as well as your JEE Mains examination. And let's face it, some of you have already opted for bio as well as physics, chemistry and mathematics. तो I तो don't even know what you're going to do क्योंकि bio आप यू कैन नॉट रिजेक्ट बायो, यू कैन नॉट डिस्कार्ड बायो, क्योंकि बायो आपको नीट की बायो में आपको मतलब नीट में इन केस ऑफ नीट एग्जामिनेशन यू विल रिक्वायर बायो, isn't it? So yes, stay till the end of it and I will share the biggest mistake that you guys can make in the last 15 days, especially this duration is when you make those mistakes. So stay till the end of the a session. All right, everybody. Yes. Now, board exams here, you know that they demand very long step-by-step answers. Whereas JEE Mains, it requires speed and accuracy. How can you switch between the two? Because they require absolutely very different strategy, and that makes us scared that how are we going to deal with both of them. So let us start with problem number one, everybody, and I'm going to tell you the key challenges, how to overcome them. So I am going to give you the problem statement as well as I'll be giving you the solution. Now, problem number one is that you will lose your momentum after your board examination. Just after your board examination, you feel like, phew, everything is over now. Let me rest. मैं अब rest कर लेता हूँ. ये नहीं करना है. ठीक है? You should not be doing this. After your last board examination, you feel exhausted and you think that I need to take a break. Breaks are necessary, but not right now. You are only going to rest after your JEE Advanced or your NEET examination. So listen to this carefully. सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे ये होता है कि डू नॉट टेक अ कंप्लीट ब्रेक, प्लीज डेडिकेट 2 to 3 hours every single day to revise for your JEE. And especially what should you do? You should not be revising concepts anymore because concepts of class 12th you are already done with in your board examination. और उसके बाद अगर आपको concepts जानना भी है, if you really want to know about the concept, then it should be class 11 concept. Apart from that, you know that JEE Mains is going to focus more on problem solving. And hey everybody, this year please don't try and solve 2024 PYQs, rather solve 2019, 2021 and 2020 PYQs because they are going to be majorly what is going to come in the examination. You know what the level of examination has been this year in the January attempt, right? So don't make the same mistake as you did in the JEE Mains first attempt. Now let's take a look at the second problem. Our second problem here is switching between subjective and objective methods, right? Objective mindset rather, let's say. Because in subjective, where is subjective questions coming up? Subjective questions are coming up in your board examination. Whereas objective questions are coming up in your JEE as well as in your NEET examination. So how can you switch? In one way, you do not know how to write the answer. You don't know how to write the subjective answer. In the other hand, you don't know which one is going to be the correct answer. So the problem is that boards require detailed step-wise answers and you do get marks for the steps also. You do get step marking here, whereas in your JEE requires speed and accuracy. One wrong answer, that means that negative marking. Does not matter how many ever correct answers you have given. One wrong answer is absolutely similar for everybody, that you will be getting one negative marking as well. Solution here is what is the solution here? The solution is that during your board examination preparation, make sure that you spend 30 to 45 minutes daily solving JEE level MCQs to maintain speed and accuracy. आज ही मैंने प्लान बनाया. Today only I made this plan that I am going to start for JEE Main second attempt. And you know what, the students who are connected with me in Telegram channel, उन्होंने मुझे बताया, ma'am please do it after 21st. Now I agreed with them, but I still agreed to disagree, and I said that no, for the first two chapters that we have studied already for chemistry, that I am going to take you through the JEE Mains problem solving classes as well. It doesn't matter if you have physics, it's okay. So on 21st we will be doing solutions chapter ke sare PYQs. We will do all the PYQs from solution chapter of JEE mains. Okay. All right. And that is why you need to subscribe to the channel, because for chemistry, this is going to be your one-stop solution. For this JEE mains examination, I will be doing inorganic and physical, but for 2026 students, you guys be aware, organic is also going to happen in this channel. Now, guys, moving ahead. Time management during March 8 to 25th, right? Now, you guys have your exam now, 21st March, 21st of February, you have your physics examination. After the 27th, you have chemistry. After that, you have sometime on around 8th March, you have English, right? After that, that 8 to 25th is going to be a huge problem for you. You may want to relax too much between the last major board examination, which is math, right? Mathematics is on March 8th and J mains. After mathematics, then you have English and then you have biology. So those students who have PCM, you're like, woo, maths is over, now I'm going to relax. Please don't do that. Very, very, very difficult it will be for you. Instead, utilize this time effectively. So what is it that you can do? What you can do, my dear students, is March 9th to 10th. Take one full-length JEE mock test and analyze the mistakes. March 11th to 24th, allocate 2 to 3 hours for English and biology revision, but 5 to 6 hours you give it to JEE preparation. See, your life is not too much different. We also have to work 9 hours का shift, right? Every single day 9 hours का shift होता है हमारे पास. ऑफिस में भी 9 घंटे का काम करना पड़ता है. अभी now that I have my own YouTube channel, here also I have to do a 9-hour shift at least. So you also have to do that only. Yes, the rest of the time you are eating, sleeping, talking to your parents, having a little bit of relaxation time. But this much you have to do, bacha. This much you have to do. Without this, you cannot think that you will be able to clear JEE mains or your NEET examination. Please understand that if there are 25 lakh students, Bharat mein 25 lakh bacche hai, and all the 25 lakh students, either they are sitting for NEET or they are sitting for JEE. You understand how tough the competition is, and later on you will be like, ma'am, I should have done this. Don't keep that regret. Rather study right now, because that is the only thing that can get you there. Okay. Let's go to fourth problem. Fourth problem is that you will not be done practicing enough JEE mock test. And my dear students, simulating a mock test is very, very important for you. Otherwise, that panic stricken mode, out of syllabus question, everything is going to deviate you from your dream marks, dream ranks, and dream percentile, which consequently is going to take you to your dream IIT or NIT. So the problem is that many students, they will only revise. They will only revise. They will be like, I don't know this concept, so let me revise, let me revise, let me revise. But you have to practice time-bound test. And this is the only thing that will lead you to poor time management in JEE mains. You cannot see always, every year, there has not been a single year when students have come back and told that mathematics was very easy. Mathematics is always lengthy. But you have to work around that. And for that, you need to have time management. Now, from March 18 to 31, take one full-length JEE mock test every alternate day, and please analyze your weak areas. Please. For those students, you sat for JEE mains first attempt, right? Consider even JEE mains first attempt as a mock test. Analyze the weaker areas. What is it that you did? What is it that you did not do? What is it that you did that brought you to 60 percentile, 70 percentile, 55, 80 percentile? What is it that you did that brought you here? And what is it that you did not do which did not push you to the 98, 99 percentile bar? 98, 99 percentile bar is very important. You need to understand that. 50 marks, 60 marks is nothing. It's not going to help you get anything. That's the truth. That is the truth. I know some of you might think that, ma'am, this is not the end of the world, ma'am. Why should we do this? That's your call. Then there are a lot of other opportunities that you can look for. But if your ambition is JEE or NEET, then bacha, 98, 99 percentile is absolutely necessary. Not in board examination. In board examination, you only need 75%. But otherwise, you need it in 99, 99, 98 percentile in these examinations. Now let's come to balancing biology for NEET aspirants. For those who do not have biology, you are lucky. You have done a very good job. But those who have biology as well as mathematics, Bita, I pity you. I'm very sorry that you have to deal with so much. But now that you have opted for it, you have no other option but to study for it. So problem is that student aiming for NEET, you may get distracted by JEE and you may neglect biology for the board examination completely. But remember, board examination has a weightage of 75% that you need to bring. That's your limit, that's your benchmark. So dedicate March 20 to 24 to NCERT based biology revision while keeping JEE physics and chemistry in check. You will have to revise both of them. You'll have to revise both of them. Now, do you realize why they keep telling you that JEE or NEET they require 2 years of preparation? Because at the end moment you cannot do everything. At the end moment you really cannot do everything, and that's why you should study, but you haven't. Let's face the truth. Now that I'm done with the 5 problems, I'm also going to give you a day-wise study plan from March 18th to March 31st. What you can do. Let's face it, April 1st, say you have your exam. April 1st to April 8th is your JEE mains examination. So March 18th to March 31st, what can you do? March 18 to 25, before your last board examination, that is biology, morning you give 2 hours to JEE chemistry, or JEE physics 2 hours. Alternate days you can do this. Okay. Afternoon, give it to biology NCERT revision for 2 hours, and evening take a JEE mock test or PYQs. Just solve PYQs for 2 hours. And like I said, evening I will be taking PYQs for JEE mains in this channel. So quickly subscribe it. And by the way, let me tell you, please ask my older students. I have given them 100 PYQs of PDF, and I solved them. Please ask them how many questions they have got it in their examination. Each child, whoever had whatever shift, each and every student of mine, they came back and told me that yes ma'am, we have done this question in the class. And that is why you need to subscribe, because I am not only going to give you strategies, but I'm going to teach you. I'm a teacher, I've always been a teacher, so I'm going to teach you here. Now, March 26th to 31st, this is your JEE mains final push that you have to do it. What can you do? March 26 to 27, revise JEE math plus one full length test you take. 28 and 29, revise physics and chemistry formulas and weak topics. And then on March 30th to 31st, you do light revision plus PYQs and take proper rest. Whoever has it on April 1st, as you all know, the first and the foremost show is always a bit of a nuisance, isn't it? Yes, a bit of a nuisance. So that means that you need to take proper rest. Do not take any mock test on 28, 29, 30th, and 31st. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm not going to give you any mock test on 29, 30th, or 31st. The last mock test that I'll be doing is on 28th or 29th. The last 2 days I will not be doing any mock test. The last 2 days I will only help you to make sure that you are calm, because calmness of mind is so very important, which probably in the edtech scenario we do not understand. But now that it's my channel, nobody is pushing me anymore, so I think I can do that for you guys. So with this note, everybody, that's all that I had to tell you today. Tomorrow I will be telling you a JEE mains roadmap, which day, which chapter, and what should you do it like, because that will also help you if you listen to me. बट बेटा अगर आप हर एक चैनल पे जाके बैठ रहे हो, if you are sitting in each and every channel and thinking that this strategy will help you, that strategy will help me, no, ma'am is telling me this, sir is telling me that, too many cooks will always spoil the broth. Understand, follow one teacher, and that teacher is going to help you sail the boat. Do you understand this? Don't worry about me. Don't think that if we don't sit at ma'am's class, ma'am is going to feel bad. Doesn't matter. Follow whoever you want, but please follow them properly. Don't just hop in from class to class, because that is not going to help you. Yes, that is not going to help you. This is the truth that I'm telling you. So ask my students how I have helped them. I always stay connected with them in the Telegram channel. Every single day I text with them. Every single day they come up with their doubts. And there are so many students that they help each other out in their doubts. So it's like a proper peer group, a study group that I have formed, everybody. So join in my Telegram channel. The link is in the in the description of the video. And as well as, if you're following me, then follow me for chemistry. I will only teach you chemistry, not physics or not mathematics. But yes, if you want strategies from me, then please let me know in the comment section what you want from me. I will be able to do that for you. Lots of love. Tada, bye. I'll see you later, guys. All the very best for your JEE mains as well as for your board examination. Bye.